Okay, so here we are in the Bentley, and Cher is going to go from regular drive to super sport.
Okay,
So what are you doing? You're doing
71.
I can't see it. There we go. You're doing about 70 right now. Okay, and it feels the thing feels fine, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I'm hardly giving it any gas.
Okay. So go ahead, and now don't step on it, but see how it feels. Wow. That jumped you right up to what?
90?
90.
Oh, shit.
So it makes it. Did you go back out of it?
Yes.
Go back into it. Come on. No, just stay in it for a minute.
Feel the change in the engine?
Yeah. Yeah. Now get in the left lane. And how you normally. Okay. So there's that. What are you going? 77. That's awesome. Wow. Yeah, you just tapped on it, and it's like at 98, 95.
Okay.
90.
Enough. We
Yeah,
did it.
no, you did it. See, now you know it's just more sensitive, right?
A little.
That's awesome. Okay. Great.
Okay, it's doing its own thing. I'm bringing you down.
I think it's great.
That was cool.
Kitten wants to go fast, that's
Miss
for sure.
B.
Miss B. That's awesome.